Hello everyone, welcome to Applied Finance Simplified. If you are the one who in past few days have received SMS or an email from the Income Tax Department compliance portal under their Ecampaign program, then this video is for you. Many assessees in past few days from 28th March onwards till now have received SMS or emails from the Ecampaign regarding asking for their high value transaction. So the email or SMS received reads something like this. I'll read it for you. Attention taxpayer. So the name of the taxpayer appears along with the PAN number in the bracket. The Income Tax Department has identified high value information which does not appear to be in line with the income tax return filed for the assessment year 2020-2021. which is for the previous year 1920. Please revise ITR or submit an online response under Ecampaign tab of Compliance Portal. So in this video, we'll talk about what is the objective of such an SMS at such a short notice, because the time limit given to file the response was until 31st of March, which was too short a time for assessees to file a response and to get everything in order, so for them to check the discrepancies, if any, between the return filed as compared to what was the information available with the Income Tax Department. So we'll talk about the objectives there, and we'll talk about the process that you can follow to submit your response. So the objective of the SMS or email sent by the Ecampaign of the compliance portal is mainly to verify or validate the information that the Income Tax Department has received from various sources. Now, the Income Tax Department receives information under the Statement of Financial Transactions from various sources like banks, financial institutions, mutual fund houses, and many other sources. And these information, if they are different from what you have filed in your income tax return, then this is an opportunity for you to revise your income tax return. Further, the objective of this campaign is even to provide an opportunity to the assessees who have missed filing their income tax return for the assessment year 2020-2021, that is your previous year 1920. So you could have filed your return up till 31st of March with certain penalty. And if you have found that there is some discrepancy between the income that was already declared as compared to information which was available with the income tax office, like let's say you missed filing for interest on saving account or some interest on FDR which was not recorded in your income tax return, then you could have the opportunity to revise that return and file it with the Income Tax Department. Now let's talk about what is the process that you will use to give response to this compliance SMS or email. So the first step that you need to do is to log into your income tax e-filing website. The website's address is incometaxindiaefiling.gov.in. After logging into your account, go to My Account tab, the Compliance Portal, and Compliance Portal will lead you to an external website. So confirm it, and then from that external Compliance Portal, select the Ecampaign tab, wherein you will be prompted to select the financial year for which you have received the SMS. So in this case, let's say financial year is 1920. So select the financial year, and then you will see the information received from different sources that would appear in that on that tab. So there are 5 categories of responses that you can give under each of those transactions that appear on that tab. So the responses can be: the information is correct, information is not fully correct, information is related to some other year or some other person, information is duplicate or included in already displayed some other information, or information is denied. So whatever is the most appropriate option for you, you need to select that. So I'll explain few of the options to you. Let's say the information appeared is related to interest from a bank FDR that you have already filed in your return of income. Then information is correct is the right answer. You just need to submit the response and there is no need of filing a revised return. When information is not fully correct, let's say the amount in that information appearing is a wrong amount as compared to what your bank account or bank FDR interest shows, then you need to file the information there. So if you select that information is not fully correct, the portal offers an option for you to file the information what is correct according to you. If the information does not relate to you, then you can select the option that this does not relate to me. You can also select an information is duplicate or included in other displayed information. So if your information is appearing in the other information which are already provided on that tab, then you can select this option and then select which entry is duplicated. Further, if you select information is denied, that means you are saying that this entry or the high value transaction so-called which is given in that tab, that does not apply to you. In this case, the income tax department portal shows that a communication will be issued to the bank or the financial institution or whoever has submitted the source of information to them. So friends, I hope you have now understood what is the objective and the process of response to the Ecampaign. I advise you to take help of a chartered accountant or a tax practitioner if you cannot yourself file these responses. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.